Hello guys, welcome back in Unity tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to understand different type of forces which is applied in Unity 2D. Here you see there different type of forces. Our first force is velocity, second force, third acceleration, and fourth one which is impulse. Let's see how these different type of forces work in Unity. Now after watching this video, you will easily recognize which type of force you have to use in Unity 2D. Now let's start the video. For understanding the velocity, we are going to watch a short video. Now here you see whenever our object moving in a specific direction with some constant speed, we call it velocity. Now we are going to apply same process with the help of unity. Now here you see there are two objects in a scene. Let's see how the two objects define in unity. So our first object is circle. Now in this circle we define it first our rigid body and we set to body type is kinematic. Now after that we are going to put box collider 2D and make sure its trigger is off. Now after that we are going to script our code. So here we apply velocity script. Now here we see which type of scripting we have done till now. Here this is our code for this player and this is our code for the enemy. Let's check the property of the enemy. Now here we are going to define our enemy script. After that we are going to put collider 2D. Now here we make sure that our trigger is on. Now let's test our velocity. Now here you see our frame is updating by 2.5 in every second. After collision the updation is off because of we put enable equal to false, and here after the collision on trigger is activating and velocity 10 is working now fine. Now here our velocity test is passed. Now we are going to understand how force act in unity. Before that, here is the video. Now let's understand how we apply same concept in unity also. So here you see this is my circle object, and in circle object I put rigid body 2D. Here I choose body type dynamic because we are going to apply force by having some mass and acceleration. In previous preview you have seen we choose body type is kinematic because the body already stores the energy, we need to just a direction to move it on. So for the force we only apply dynamic body type. So let's see what we have done. Now here you see this is our script. Here I only show rigid body and vector forces and we call it phi. Now we are going to see how our force acts in unity. So here you see our object moves slowly and applies slowly a force with the help of the mass, which means we are going to pull an object with a slow speed. Now after some time speed is increases. Now we are going to zoom out and let's see how much speed is increases and position also changes. You can check in rigid body information. So now play the. So as you see our speed is increases and also position of y also changes with time. So let's understand acceleration. Here is the video. Acceleration generally defined as movement of a body by ignoring mass. To understanding this term, we have an example. Suppose we throw a ball in a space and the ball is continuous moving by ignoring its mass. So let's understand the concept of acceleration with the help of Hitman 3 game. Now here you see our player is hitting a movement. Now after hitting a movement, the player does not affect by its mass, it just accelerates its body as the body drags down over the period of time. Speed is also increases. So same concept we are going to apply in Unity also. Here we see application of the acceleration. Now this is our circle object. Let's see which property we have defined in inspector panel. Here we define a script and a rigid body 2D. Now let's see which type of scripting we have done. Now this is our script of acceleration. Now here we are going to test our acceleration. So let's play the scene. Now as you see, our body is moving at a great speed without affecting its mass. For understanding the impulse, we are going to watch a video. In impulse, our force depends on mass as well as velocity. So as you see, in COC game, our mortar depends on its mass and velocity. Whenever you throw a cannonball from mortar, it simultaneously move up in the air and after that it slowly down in the air. Now we are going to apply the same concept in Unity also. Let's see what type of scripting we have to do. Now here we use rigid body, vector force, and we use some variable like AB and mass. After that we use variable Y, and we use game object like ball and use gravity scale also. Now here you see I use our start function to access my rigid body component. After that I apply start coroutine so that I can slow down the time after ball is high. So here you see I am going to move my ball with the help of a impulse force. It is used in many games like shooting game or especially used in COC also. After that we use IA numerator to slow down our ball. After some period of time here to slow down the time our code is will return new wait for second pause, which means our time wait for 4 seconds. After that it include new mass and new gravity scale. Now let's test our gameplay of the impulse. Now here you see our ball is moving high up and after some time its mass is increasing. Here you see our mass is also increasing, gravity scale also increases. Now our test is passed. You can comment below any new idea regarding this topic.